Right, now Fuzz, me old mucker.
Yeah?
Because you've been working so hard,
Yeah?
right, I've decided to treat you to a little spectacle of a car that you might rather want to go in.
Okay,
in
yeah,
fact,
come on then.
It's in front of you right now.
Look,
yes, it is.
That is just probably the most stunning E-Type I've ever seen.
Get in it, you can drive this one, alrighty.
When the E-Type was first unleashed to the public in 1961, for many, it was love at first sight.
Oh, yes.
50 years later, it hasn't lost its allure. Along with the Mini Cooper, the E-Type became synonymous with the optimism and hedonism of the 60s. This wasn't just a car, it was a player in a cultural revolution and an object of desire.
The thing about this car for me is it's the epitome of exquisite.
This is about as close as one can get in a road car.
To perfection.
Yeah, probably so.
I wish people had the guts nowadays to just design a car like this.
Yeah,
something
totally.
that looks like this.
Totally.
This thing must have been designed by God.
It was, yes.
No, seriously though, I mean, who is the guy? Can you imagine being the guy who designed this? What have you done on this planet? What have you changed about the world? Oh, I designed a car, which one? The E-Type.
Go to heaven.
Absolutely.
But this car wasn't just about looks. That XK engine gave power to the pedal too.
That is gorgeous. What does the E stand for on the steering wheel? Do you think it just stands for excellent type?
It's a big smile that you get on your face. Thanks, Tim.
No worries, dude. You deserve it, man. What a car, eh? What a car.
So what happened to this groundbreaking car? Well, in 1975, the E-Type came out of production. Gone forever? Maybe not, because in 2013, after a few misfits, it had a grandson, the F-Type. But does it deliver the same exhilaration that its granddaddy did 50 years before? Capable of 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds and powered by a supercharged 5-litre engine, the F-Type V8S has driven Jaguar into the 21st century.
Jaguar, by bringing this car out for the first time since the E-Type, have now ditched, as far as I'm concerned, the old stigma of, oh, it's an old man's car.
Yep.
Not anymore, son. Are you ready?
Honestly, that is the first time in a car that I've actually had the collie wobbles.
Really?
Butterflies, total butterflies. I was like,
This is what it would have felt like back in 1961 when people saw the E-Type for the first time. People seeing this now are feeling that same buzz.
well, you know what? I would still have an E-Type, but I'd like one of these in the garage next to it.
Jaguar might only push the boat out once every 50 years, but for the boys it was worth the wait.